Hey guys, if you're just joining us, the live has ended. You are catching a replay of, you're doing that weird face. We're doing a unboxing of Happy Crafters monthly subscription box. So these are different than the, let me make sure I can see you guys, your comments. Yeah, so these are different than the mystery boxes. These are subscription boxes that you get delivered to your door each month. So if you sign up just one time, you get charged monthly and it comes to your door monthly. So if you guys can see me and hear me okay, if you will give me a comment and say hello, and make sure I'm inviting our admins into the group right here. Okay, it's not letting me invite group members. Okay, hey Julie, hey Casey, I am seeing you guys. Hey Christy says hi, Holly, Matt, and Doug. So if you guys, hey Shannon, great. I was gonna try to send an invite and it won't let me search any names. So Matt's having a sick day today. He really is sick, but you know, y'all know that man cold. And we just got a ring at the doorbell. Yeah, Shannon is Doug. Show him Doug one more time. Doug is a ham. He loves to be on the camera. Hey, Doug. Say hey, Dougie. Doug is our rescue boy. We found him in a ditch, and he was just one big mat. And so I got in a lot of trouble bringing Doug home. But now Doug is part of the family. Do you love Doug?
He's okay.
He really does. He loves Doug. He sleeps in the bed with us. And, well, we love Doug. We love you, Dougie. Our girls love Doug. Okay. So, this is that you're shaking the camera every time you hit the table.
It was Doug's fault.
Okay. This is the monthly subscription box from Happy Crafters. So these will start shipping out in 2 days. They have not been released yet, but if you do not want to know what's inside the box, if you want it to be a surprise, you're about to get spoilers, and I'm excited to show you. Hey, Kathy. Okay, so we are going to open this. I have not seen what's inside, but Matt is going to help me unveil this subscription box. These are different than the mystery box. The mystery box, just a quick rundown, they usually have those once, maybe twice a month, and those go fast. I'm talking about like as soon as we do the link and announce that it is up, they're gone usually within an hour, so or less. This is the subscription box. You sign up for this, it's $39.95 a month, but of course we have a discount with Holly Crafts, and I've linked that up at the top that's for our group. And you get these monthly, so each month these come to your doorstep. Hello from the UK. Hey Karen. So let's go ahead, you guys, and see what's in this month's box. I don't know. This is exciting, Christy. I know that this month's theme is back to school, but that's all I know what's inside. So Matt is completely, he has no idea about vinyl. He has no idea what's adhesive or what's heat transfer. So we're going to see from a newbie's perspective what's inside the box. So immediately opening it, you do get a sheet telling you what's inside. And like I said, you guys, if you get a subscription box, here's your spoilers. Not yet, not yet. Okay, so it says, thank you for the subscription box. Get excited to craft. Please check your email. Quit looking, quit peeking. Please check your email for application instructions, cut files, and tutorials. So it looks like when you get your box, you will get an email with some cut files. And it also tells you what's inside your box as soon as you open it. So let's go ahead. I'm going to place this as a cheat sheet for me. and you can go ahead. Let's see what you got. But you got to show it to the camera.
Okay.
Do those last.
Okay. So what? Right here?
Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm obsessed with this. Oh, y'all. You know what this is? Okay, so this is pattern heat transfer, and this is totally Lisa Frank. Is it to y'all? Does it look like Lisa Frank to you guys? I am in love with this. So this is the pattern heat transfer. Hey, Debbie. And it looks like you get 2 sheets of the heat transfer. So show us what your next sheet is.
Okay.
This is so Lisa Frank, y'all. Does it remind you of Lisa Frank?
It does.
I'm in love with it.
It's very Lisa Frankie.
It's very Lisa Frankie. Oh, that's cute too. So here's for the boys, well, and for the girls. My girls would love this. This is another sheet of pattern heat transfer, and this is big. Like, you hold on side. I don't know how big this is, but this is pretty big. Hold on and I'll tell you. This is a super big sheet. Okay. Here, help a girl out. No, you gotta do it. You gotta straighten it out.
Well, raise your... Oh, you want me to bring it down?
Yeah. This is 19 inches. 19 inches of heat transfer. That's huge. Yes, Julie. Boys and girls. I think this would go for both of them. I love this. Okay, so you get 2 heat transfer patterns, and then it looks like this is a sheet of Caesar Easy Weed Fluorescent. So I have this fluorescent blue, which is super pretty. I like that. You like that one, Matt?
Yeah, I like blue. Blue is my favorite.
Blue is his favorite color. So I love this. Hey, Crystal. Hey, Nina. Yes, I love the... Okay, so you get 1 sheet of Caesar Easy Weed Fluorescent.
Ooh.
Okay, and it tells you... Okay, these tell you on the bottom.
On the bottom.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Describe that purple without looking.
It's very purple.
Describe the color.
Fluorescent plum.
Well, it's a neon purple. So I love the neon purple, and this is beautiful. And it's super thin. Like, I think it would really go flush with the material. Okay, so what have we got next? This is the perfect staple black, which we all need black. I always need black. All right.
Got a little bit of green here.
A little bit of green here. So you get 3 sheets of Easy Weed Electric. No, you get 6 sheets of Easy Weed, of just plain Easy Weed. So this is Easy Weed and Caesar. So this is Easy Weed.
And Caesar. This is a little bit of, I call this one sunflower.
Okay, sunflower, he
Easy
says.
Weed.
Which, it reminds me of a school bus. So if you guys are doing your back to school designs, I really like this one for like a school bus.
This one is, I'm going to say it's coral.
Yes, a beautiful coral. That's a good description. I like that one too.
I'm going to call this one Bordeaux.
Bordeaux.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm going to go with crimson or maroon. I'm just going to say crimson for Roll Tide, y'all. My daddy would be proud. So that one's super pretty. That's an Easy Weed.
I'm going to call this one Dove Gray.
Oh, Dove Gray, he says. Now he's naming the sheets. This is a gray, and these are all Caesar Easy Weeds. Yeah, Nina, I really like that coral too.
What is this?
Okay, and now we're into the electric line. I can tell that. I can spot that a mile away. So you have this beautiful green. Can you guys see the pearlescent? It's super. Do you see it?
I see it.
What would you call it?
Green.
Okay, this is just green. But I love this electric color. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is a, oh my gosh. This is almost like a toolbox, y'all. This is beautiful.
That one's brushed aluminum.
Brushed aluminum?
It looks like the dashes of 70s era Pontiac cars.
Okay. This looks like, so according to Matt, this is the dash of a 70s
Pontiac.
Pontiac that's the name of this one. So, oh, you did, Shannon? I want to see how it turned out. That is so neat to me. It's almost 3D, y'all. So it says it okay, all right. Okay, this is another, y'all, this is my favorite. This is another Easy Weed Electric, and this is like a cherry, like a dark cherry. What would you call it?
I don't know if I'd call it cherry. I don't know.
Okay. Are you seeing more purple?
It's got a little more purpley pink to it.
I would call it like a black cherry.
It's wonderful, though.
It is wonderful, Matt says. But that is beautiful. And these are big, full sheets. Okay, so what's the next one?
This is that mesh.
Mesh. Okay, so you get one sheet of Happy Crafters mesh. Let me tell you, I've never seen this before. I really haven't.
You could use that for like jerseys and stuff.
Jerseys. That's such a good idea.
Jersey mesh.
Yeah. So if you wanted to cut out like a sports number and put it on something, this is so cool. Like you can see this has got to be probably one of my favorites. Nina, I've linked it in the description or the in the box above, like it should be above. We have a group link and we also have a coupon code. Thank you. I went blank.
Kimberly's right. That one's fuchsia. That's the
fuchsia. That's perfect. Hey, Gloria. Okay, so let me show you this just one more time because I'm super amazed. I have never in my life seen this before. This is the mesh, and I'm in love with the mesh. Okay, show me something else.
This one's really neat. I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness.
Oh, how cool. Wow. Okay, so this is Caesar, and this is holographic.
Mother of Pearl.
Mother of Pearl is perfect. Y'all, somebody take me now, Lord. This is all I need in life. This is beautiful. And look how big these sheets are, y'all. These are not cutoffs. These are huge, huge, huge sheets. So this is the Caesar holographic. I'm in love with this. Matt has named this Mother of Pearl. Oh my God, it's so trippy. Yeah, it's so trippy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one is Caesar holographic. And wow. Like this is Caesar, and I feel like I know all of Caesar's things, but I've never seen this one before. This is that's like trippy. Okay, so in love with that one. All right, Caesar just released this last month. This is a brand new product. They had a huge product launch with this. It was a huge deal. This is brand new holographic.
This one's called Fruit by the Foot.
And Matt has called this Fruit by the Foot. So this one is the holographic rainbow. And it is beautiful. Okay. So we got more. Oh my God.
We all know what this one is.
We all know what this one is.
That's the lemon sugar, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. This one is lemon sugar. It's yellow. And again, I think this one would be awesome for a school bus. Okay, continue on. Oh, no, this one's going to be your favorite, Steph. Look at this beautiful purple. And it's like ultra sparkle. It's like a sparkle on steroids. I'm in love with this purple. In love. Okay. And then you get the
Transfer tape?
The transfer tape. Yes, baby. You get the transfer tape for your pattern vinyl, and you get 2 huge sheets of it. So that's what that is. Okay, and then you get 2 fun blanks. So this is what do you think that is?
It is a makeup bag.
No, baby. It's back to school thing.
It's a pencil pouch.
It's a pencil pouch. So you get, Mia, these are all heat transfer. So y'all have until tomorrow to sign up for this. I just get it like the day before sign-ups are over. And so you have it's almost like 24 hours to sign up for this. And then it's going to be on to the next month. So let's say that you wait 2 days to sign up for it. You will not get this month's box. You will wait until the next month and get next month's box. Does that make sense? So you have until the 15th to sign up. Well, really, I think it's tomorrow night at midnight. And then, okay, so look at this pencil pouch. I'm going to put, you can put your pens, you can put your scissors, you can put anything in this.
Your weeding tools.
Your weeding tools. Ladies, you can use this for your products. Wink, wink. And this will hold, you can heat transfer this.
Bank bag.
Bank bag.
Right.
Yep.
Last but not least.
Last but not least, you get a tote bag. And this is wonderful because you can do this with your grocery shopping. You can do this with, my daughter has water days at school, and I always need a tote to carry. And I think that's what I'm going to use this for. I'm going to put like a big mermaid on it and her name. And so this comes with a Port Authority, and Port Authority is a good quality name brand. You guys, they have the best reviews. So this is awesome quality for that, but it's also a back to school theme. So you can do this with anything back to school. You can do it as an overnight bag for some of your kids. You can hold some vinyl in it or anything that you want to use it for. So what do you think?
I think it's awesome.
Do you? Mm-hmm. Is it so? They're $39.95 a month, but with your first month you get. Let me see the tote. Okay, all right. Here's the tote, Shay, and I'm in love. But they do. You also do get the cut files, and I think it's all these at the top. So it's got like the unicorn, stay sharp with a pencil. It's got the planet to match with the pattern vinyl. It's got the little doggy, and it's got cute as pie. And so, oh, and it's got a mandala apple. I love that. And it's got the periodic table. It says cute. And so you'll get that with your email when you sign up. So anyway, guys, if you get these boxes, show us what you make. Let us know when they come in. I think my favorite was the mesh. What was your favorite?
That mother of pearly stuff.
The mother of pearl. So just to recap, here is my favorite, because like Matt said, this goes really good with the numbers on a jersey. And Matt's favorite is the mother of pearl holographic sheet, and these are Caesar. So Mia, how long would the shipping be to the UK? I'm not sure, but I can get you that answer. I will email them when we're over. So thanks guys for watching the unboxing of the Happy Crafters monthly subscription box. This is for the month of August. It's back to school. They will start shipping out the 15th. So on the 15th, they will start shipping these out. So thanks for watching, you guys. And until next time, y'all have a good day, good weekend, and we'll see you next time.